Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Modern Goth Tarot. This packaging, oh my gosh, it looks so much fun. So this is illustrated by Natalie Foss, and it is published by Skittle Dog, retailing for $24.99 in the US, $16.99 in the UK, and $31.99 in Canada. All right, unleash your true path with this unique tarot deck. Use the intuitive power of tarot to discover a world beyond the shadows. Through the darkened eyes of life's most compelling modern goth characters, this alternative deck will connect you to your path and lead you to wisdom. Complete 78 card tarot deck with a 40-page beginner guide with haunting illustrations by Natalie Foss and expert interpretations by Stephen Baird. All right, very fun, very cool concept. I'm excited. All right, here's the little pamphlet. Ooh, that back. We do have a ribbon. Just gonna take that off real fast. There's the back of the deck. It's a matte. All right, like the size. We'll come back to that. I just want to take a peek at the guidebook real fast. Information about the major arcana. Then it goes into each card, and then introduction to the minor, same thing. And we do have some spreads in the back. So 1 card, 3 card, and Cunning Path spread. We also have the Learning Grid spread. And then we have different resources here and about the author and artist. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute after the flip through here. So here's the cardstock. Not bad. It's very sturdy. Not terribly flexible, but that's not a bad thing. It's on the medium size. I think it'll shuffle just fine. All right, we do have borders. So it does look like we're going from the minor arcana up to the major with how it's put together, but that's okay. We'll start from behind this time. So we're in the swords suit. Love whatever this is. I think that's fun. We have bats. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm excited to get some style inspiration from this. Okay, so it does look like it's going to be more of like a Pip deck or Marseille, which is totally fine. A lot of people like this style where it's not a scene, but it's just the amount of swords or cups. It's giving a little bit of symbolism when it comes to what the cards are about. Love this, that there's a coffin for the 4 of Swords. Okay. Oh, we still have the heart there. I'm in love with the bats. So fun. Okay. Cups. The cobwebs. Oh, this has the pumpkin and the hands. That's fun. Love. Pentacles. Oh, we got hammers in there for the 8. There's a little castle. The exchanging hands. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you might be intimidated by this a little bit, but it's not undoable. Especially with the guidebook. And wands. I'm loving the characters here. Ooh. Can't really tell, I don't think, but the hand has tattoos or lace. I think it's a lace glove. Okay. Fun. Little ghosties. Oh my gosh, cute. Anytime I see little ghosts, I'm excited. The bats are fantastic. This is a great example of how you can be inclusive with your art for a particular style. Look at that. I love it. Goth is so diverse, and a lot of different types of people identify as goth. And so with this being quote unquote modern goth, I really love the inclusivity and the diversity I see. We have different body types. Different ages. Oh, love that. And different types of goth as well. It's not just one specific type. So that's really cool to see too. Oh my gosh, love that. All right, let's see how it shuffles. It is a little stiffer to shuffle, but not bad. It still does its job. All right, let's go overhand. Yeah, okay. Not bad at all. Oop. I like it. All right, so we're going to read in the guidebook for the Two of Cups. So it gives you an overview about what the suit is about. The Suit of Cups has influence over emotions, relationships, and desires. It's associated with the element of water and the astrological signs of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Cups signify our experiences with our emotional realm, love, and affection, but can also warn that these emotions can overrule reason. All right, so the Two of Cups is about relationships, partnerships, and attraction. It can also mean that you are unable to function except as part of a pair. Okay, and then I do want to see Major. There's a little bit more in the Major Arcana when it comes to the meanings. So if you're looking for a longer explanation, then I might recommend a tarot reference book for you, but this is enough to get you by and then add on your intuition. I think it'll be a usable deck for most levels, wherever you're at in your tarot journey. But you know, if you need more help, a tarot reference guide is always a great tool to have by your side, just in case things get a little muddy for you. Always recommend having one. I don't mind the pip style deck on this at all, because I feel like there's a lot more than just here's 2 cups, here's 4 swords. There's a lot more going on in the illustration. I'm here for it. I think that the quality is just fine. I think that the cardstock will get a little easier once you work with it a little bit more, so be a little bit more flexible once you shuffle it a lot more often. The art is fun. I love what I see here when it comes to the people in this deck. I love the symbolism is still there. I think it's just fun. It's very different, and what a unique take on, you know, a subculture, I'll say. I think that this is highly relatable. I love the bats. I feel like this is one that I relate to right away. But that's just me. I would love to know your thoughts on this deck. Is this something that you are excited about? Is this something that you think you would enjoy using? Is this right up your alley, or is this a pass for you? What are your thoughts? Please let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you will never miss a video on your way out of this one. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you and I like you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.